You got some going up. Alright, Roger.
Okay.
Right, put your helmet back a little bit for me. Just a little bit. There we go. For y'all.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. Alright.
All right.
And you can just zip on over.
Like I said, in areas, a lot of them are built like this, so majority of the time we'll probably have you guys on one side and him on one side.
Okay.
And it's separated, so if you need to breathe,
Zippy the Frog.
come on.
Okay.
The path over there is called Pierre. It's like by the slingshot, like a little bit past the slingshot. Just come over there.
All right, you can go ahead and slide down over here and have a seat,
All
right?
right.
Alright, Roger, you ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
Yeah, that's all I like to hear.
Step up.
Yep.
Okay.
And face me first. Yep, so you gotta stand up and face me.
Oh,
So grab the line if you need to, and then face me.
okay.
So put your feet all the way up the top. Yep.
Zip is clear, zip is clear.
Like I told them, I will always hold you until you're ready to go.
Okay.
Because sometimes people do get too scared, so I hold them a little bit, get them used to it. All right, now you can step down.
Okay.
All right, left hand on top.
Left.
Yep, then right hand.
Okay. Just one on top of the other?
Yep,
Okay.
and just lean back for me. And relax.
All right.
So no bent arms, okay? All right, and then you're going to look out to your left side, all right?
Okay.
And move back some, so you can see.
Uh,
You ready?
Yeah.
I forgot all about the brake.
I forgot about what?
You're all right, the brake. Go ahead, I'm
Oh,
going to show you.
sorry about that.
Yeah, you're all right. Go ahead and stand up on that stump right there.
Uh-huh.
And I'm going to show you what happened. That's it. All right, all the way up. So when I gave you that hand signal, man, you just completely forgot the brake. That's
Okay.
it. So when you get that signal, you take that hand and place it nice and flat above your head.
Okay.
That wasn't that important here because
Uh-huh.
you're not going that fast. We're getting you used to being in a harness. The next one's going to be faster.
Okay.
So it's going to be important to remember that brake, okay?
Okay, all right.
All right? We got you, though, just in case. But that ain't me telling you not to brake. Right?
Okay, got it.
You brake. If you don't brake, I still got you. Then don't worry too much, okay?
Okay.
I only got 10 years of practice.
I'm going first. Okay, yeah. Up on the top step.
Yep, and face me. Right. Make a step down.
Clear. It is clear.
Funny, man.
Now you can either put one leg on one side and then, yep, just like that, and step up a little bit and step on the platform.
Step,
No.
Step down.
Step forward.
Okay.
There you go. And I said I'll hold you until you have your hand placed in. Right, ready?
Okay, and keep my head on this side.
You right-handed, right?
Yeah.
Say right hand on top.
Okay.
Yep, just like that.
All right.
And yeah, keep your head on the right side because that's where the stump is, okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
1,
Ready.
2, 3.
There you go.
I
As
did
you
it.
seen at first, a little too much pressure.
Yeah.
Butt bushing your head.
Yeah.
So just very lightly, okay?
Okay,
So you
okay.
did it right. This time just a little lighter.
Okay.
And then you add the pressure as needed, but don't start with a lot of pressure because it's going to jerk back a little bit.
Okay.
Step down. Yep, there you go. Keep getting it. Right
Yeah.
hand on top.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready.
When we came across this cable in slow motion, the dip, the very
You like it, Roger?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm getting the hang of it each time.
All right. So you ready?
Yep.
Legs up. Yeah, take that.
Look at you, professional now.
Look at him. Breaking down.
It only took me 3 times.
It took me 3 times. And that's the first 3 or 4, Roger. That's what the first 3 or 4, so you can enjoy the last half. And we're just now about to be halfway when we go across this bridge, if you didn't see. That your cook or each other's just not worth it, even if you are the beneficiary. Yeah, we'll take these off your shoulder.
Okay.
Alright, if you go out there a couple steps, turn around, get a picture of you out there.
Okay.
Alright, 1, 2, and 3. Alright.
Okay. Whew.
So Roger, you said you're a reporter?
Yeah.
So you write articles.
Uh-huh.